Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another DIY project. And today we are transforming this oversized men's shirt into an off-shoulder top. So this shirt is striped, it is blue lines, but you can't see it because they're a bit faded. It's old, so let's get to work. So now I am going to measure the size of my elastic so that I can make a casing. So we're just going to do this. Going to pin everything in place before we go to the sewing machine. So what I am doing now is I want to cut some strips. I think I'm getting obsessed to having like strips on my tops. But anyway, I'm just trying to get some strips. So I am cutting these lines. I don't know how thick I want my strip to be, but we'll see. So yeah, just follow along and let's see how this ends. So now I'm just going to measure the size of the elastic around my cast. Make sure it's not too tight, but just the right. So this is the elastic. We're just going to do a basic straight stitch to make our casing, and we're going to leave a gap so that we can pass through our elastic, and then once we are done we will just seal it with another basic straight stitch. Off to the sewing machine. So now I am just making the strips, and in order for me to do that I am folding this side in. I hope you can see it. So I am folding this side in, and I'll do the same with this other side because we want to make sure that all the raw edges are inside so that our strips can have that nice clean look. And then after that I'll just do this. Yeah, it's a pain, and this is the first strip, so 3 more to go. So you can just chill and relax while I do the hard work. So what I did is I went and ironed this. I don't know if you can see it, but I ironed the strips, the remaining 3. So folding these and pinning these in place, it's going to be a breeze. So I just saved myself a ton of time. Strips pinned down. Now we're just going to secure everything with a straight stitch, and let's go. pain is over. The pain is over. Ah, I got my strips. Guys, making these things is a pain, but I love them. I want them, so I make them. Now it's time for us to pass through our elastic through the casing. And we need 1, 2 safety pins. So we're going to grab our elastic, going to pin one end like this, and we're just going to secure it on the fabric like that. Grab the second safety pin, pin it in place like this, and we're going to use this one to pass through the elastic. So here we go, people. This is easy, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, squeezy. Shush out that elastic, and as you're doing so, make sure that it's laying in nicely. This needs to look professional, like it was made by a pro. A pro. We have arrived. I'm just going to pull, shush out that elastic, shush it out, and we're just going to remove this safety pin, and we are going to secure the two like so. Okay, let's do it this way. And we're going to just secure these 2 pieces of elastic with a zigzag stitch. And we are also going to attach our strips. So let's go. So I have attached the strips. We are done, but I am not done because I just thought of something. I thought, why not open up the side? So I measured 10 centimeters from this side. I am going to open this up just in case we want to tuck in this top, you know, it's the trend. So this is all I had for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video of me transforming that men's shirt into this dog top. Like, come on, this is the real deal. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you didn't like the video, still comment down below, let me know what you didn't like. Let's talk about it. If it's your first time here, please don't leave without subscribing. And if you are a regular viewer, thank you for the support. I appreciate it. Let's keep growing. Let's grow this channel. And until next time, live, love, and DIY. I'm out. So if you would like to get your own off-shoulder top, just DM me on Instagram and I can do one for you to your specifications. So hit me up.